Okay, I'm gonna do a bike check. I got a couple new parts, and I just feel like doing one. Okay, starting off, I still have the King Toko frame, 20.5 inch top tube, 13.5 inch chain stays, I think, I don't know. Van Homan grips, Odyssey power bar ends, Odyssey mono lever, trigger, right, Primo Sam Squatch handlebars, 8.5 rise, 28 wide, Odyssey upper cable, Colony official stem. I flipped it upside down for more rise. Colony upper plate, Shadow headset, Snafu Mobi Tangler, Odyssey bottom cable, Fit FAF tire, Fit Shift 2 forks, Alienation UL complete wheel, dual pedals, profile cranks, MDS sprocket, KMC chain, Deco deck pivotal seat, stolen Thermalite seat post. I have the Odyssey Evo 2s, probably can't see them, with fly zip brake pads. I have the Hecu Sam. I have a Fit FF back tire. I have the Alienation 1-array rim with laced with Spanum double bud spokes, or 14G, I don't know, laced to a premium Stinger hub. That's my bike. It weighs like 22 pounds. I'm working on an edit. It's probably gonna be out, I don't know, starting to work on it now. That's my bike, and yeah, comment, rate, and subscribe.